kachika, nakakatuwa ang ibinahagi ni Claudine Barreto sa kanyang social media account na kahapon nga January 19, 2026 ay isinelebrate nga ni Mark Anthony Fernandez ang kanyang birthday, kung saan si Claudine Barreto nga ay may pa-surprise birthday party para nga sa kanyang ex-boyfriend. Katulad nga ng kanyang binabahagi sa kanyang social media account, kapag meron nga siyang pa-party ay talaga namang punong-puno nga ng pagkain ng kanilang lamesa, at the same time ay syempre may pa-cake rin siya kay Mark Anthony. Meron pa nga ang pa-sweet caption: "Belated happy birthday to my first love, my first everything, especially my first heartbreak. I said this before and I say it again. If I were to live my life all over again, I'd still choose you to be my first. I'm so proud of you, the man you have become. I never thought I'd ever be friends with my ex, but Mark definitely is the exception. A true gentleman with one of the kindest soul I have ever met. Happy birthday. Thank you for never talking bad about me. In fact, you took all the blame and made sure I was always protected. Even from afar, I have no regrets, only great memories. I love you, my ex, Mark Anthony Fernandez." Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!